Can't wait to send those tethers. But hold on. Ever dabbled in the world of cryptocurrencies? Maybe you've been hearing a lot about Tether, also known as USDT, this stablecoin that's kind of like a bridge between the volatile world of crypto and the familiarity of, well, the US dollar. So, you've gotten yourself some USDT, maybe through an exchange or a trade. Now you want to move it around, and Coinbase is a popular platform you might be considering. But can you actually receive USDT on Coinbase? Let's dive in and answer that question, along the way exploring some workarounds and alternatives you might want to consider. Coinbase and the crypto catch. Coinbase is a giant in the cryptocurrency world, offering a user-friendly platform to buy, sell, and trade various digital assets. It's a great place for beginners to get their feet wet. But here's the thing, Coinbase doesn't directly support Tether deposits. That might surprise you, considering how popular Tether is. There are a few reasons behind this. Regulation in the crypto space is still evolving, and Tether has been under some scrutiny regarding its reserves backing the stablecoin. Coinbase, known for its focus on compliance, might be playing it cautious. So, you're stuck? Not quite. While you can't directly receive USDT on Coinbase, there are a couple of options you can explore. Option 1. Embrace the conversion. Coinbase does allow trading between various cryptocurrencies. So, here's what you can do. Transfer your USDT to a platform that supports Tether deposits. There are several options like Binance or Kraken. On that platform, convert your USDT to another cryptocurrency that Coinbase supports, like Bitcoin, BTC, or Ethereum, ETH. Transfer the converted cryptocurrency back to your Coinbase account. Keep in mind, this process involves multiple transactions, and each might come with its own fees. So, do some research and factor in the costs before making the switch. Option 2. Consider Coinbase Wallet. Coinbase offers a separate product called Coinbase Wallet, which functions more like a non-custodial wallet. This means you have more control over your crypto holdings. While Coinbase Wallet itself doesn't directly support Tether deposits either, it integrates with various DeFi wallets that do. Here's a heads up, the DeFi space can be a bit more complex and carries its own set of risks. Make sure you understand the landscape before diving in. Beyond Coinbase, exploring other options. If the conversion route or the DeFi world doesn't seem like your cup of tea, there are other cryptocurrency exchanges that support Tether deposits. Platforms like Binance, Kraken, and Crypto.com allow you to receive USDT directly. Remember, do your research before choosing a platform. Look into security measures, fees, and the variety of cryptocurrencies they support. The final word, choosing the right path. There's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to managing your crypto holdings. The best approach depends on your comfort level, risk tolerance, and the specific needs you have. If you're a beginner and prioritize a user-friendly platform, then converting your USDT to a Coinbase-supported crypto might be the way to go. But if you're comfortable with a little more complexity and want more control over your Tether, exploring DeFi wallets or other exchanges could be an option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.